hungry kiddo. Today we are going to cook one of my favorite dishes called pork picadillo. Before we start, here are the ingredients. We have black pepper, sugar, fish sauce, raisins, tomato sauce, tomato paste, oyster sauce, garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrots, and potatoes, and lastly, the ground pork. Let's start. Let's put oil on the pan. And then, once the oil is ready, we are going to pan fry the potatoes and carrots. Once the potatoes and carrots are slightly brown, we can set it aside. Using the same oil, we are going to saute the garlic and onion. After about 30 seconds, we can now add the ground pork. And then, we are going to put fish sauce and black pepper. Mix the ground pork until it turns brown. We are going to add tomato paste. This will add color to the dish. Since we already sauteed the carrots and potatoes, we are going to add first the bell pepper. Now we are going to add tomato sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and then we are now going to add the potatoes and carrots. Mix the ingredients. To complete the ingredients, we are going to add the raisins and green peas. And then we are going to add 1 cup of water and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I added 4 cubes to flavor to the dish. And let's wait for a few minutes for the liquid to reduce. Once the sauce is reduced, you can now turn off the heat. And it's done! It's time to eat! Enjoy your meal! Thank you for watching Hungry Kiddo. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next video!